So Rob just told me to follow the orange arrows. But I see water, so I'm gonna go check that out. See, the water's over there. Be a nice video if I fall on my butt. Have it in action. Oy. I see water. Almost there. Wait for it. Here it is. Water. Maybe this is where the flies are reproducing at. Nice.